you heard about Betty? Betty Spaghetti. She's got real cool clothes. Lots of clothes. She's got real cool hair. I love her hair. Have you seen her style? Have you met her friends? Have you heard about Betty? Betty Spaghetti.
Meet Betty Spaghetti. She's a one-of-a-kind mix and match, never the same look twice fashion doll that has everybody talking.
Have you seen her style? Outrageous style. Have you met her friends? Way cool friends. Have you heard about Betty? Betty Spaghetti.
Betty Spaghetti. New from Ohio Art. That's sold separately.
Have you heard about Betty?
So hello and welcome to my channel. So what is this? I literally feel so weird because it's like illusion makeup. I feel like I have to have my eyes closed the whole time. So today we are doing Betty Spaghetti. I had so many of these dolls as a kid and I was going to do the Bratz challenge, I'm not gonna lie. But by the time I actually got around to sitting down and thinking of doing it, so many people had done it, I just couldn't think up of a different idea to add to the Bratz challenge without basically copying other people. So I wanted to kind of do my own version of it. But I was looking up and I was like, Betty Spaghetti! I honestly loved Betty Spaghetti so much. I had probably about 6 or 7 Betty Spaghetti dolls and they were my favourite. I honestly loved them so much. If you have no idea who Betty Spaghetti is, then I'm sorry, you're probably looking at me like, what is up with your head? Like, what is up right now? You'll be like, this girl has lost her mind. If my face looks a bit serious in this tutorial, that's because I was so stressed creating this. Nothing seemed to go right and I was just like, am I gonna literally have to throw this idea out the window, throw all this in the bin and just move on with my life? But then I was like, I feel like it came around a bit, maybe not, let me know in the comments. If you would like to see how I created this Betty Spaghetti makeup look, then please keep watching. So I'll start this look off by sketching out the eyes with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I have already got foundation on because I did block my eyebrows out with a glue stick. This time it really didn't go very well because my glue stick was really dry, so it's really lumpy. But luckily with the paint and stuff going over it later on, you don't really see it that much. When it came to drawing the pupil, I used a lid because as I'm actually drawing over my eyeball, it's not a flat surface. So drawing a perfect circle can be really difficult, so that is why I used a lid for this. I then start to paint the white areas of the eye. I start off using the white paint because I like to use the lighter colours first because it's so much easier to take away the light colours if I needed to touch up or anything than it is the darker colours. So next I fill in the light blue eyeshadow because this is the second lightest colour that I'm going to be using in this area. The third lightest colour is the purple in the colour of the eyes. I found it quite cool that majority of the Betty Spaghettis had purple coloured eyes, so yeah. I then get a black face paint and paint the black areas of the eyes. This includes the eyelashes and the pupil. I then draw these 2 pink circles in this area. I don't know what you would call them, but they have them on the dolls, so I just did it. And I also did some little sparkles in the eyes as well. I then painted on some clothes that I just copied from one of my reference pictures. It was a pink dress with like some yellow frills around the edge as well. I also painted a pink strap. For the blush, I used a pink eyeshadow and applied it on my cheeks just underneath my eyes, so quite close to my nose. I then started to sketch out my lips with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in the shade Big Bang. I then filled in my lips with a baby pink face paint. I then got a really small defined brush and a black face paint and just extended the lines on the side of my mouth just to add to the illusion of my bigger lips. And then I got a white face paint and just did a little sparkle on my lips as well. So to finish this look off, I made this kind of headpiece, I guess you'll call it, because it's not really a wig. I got this plastic kind of cap from Amazon and I'll link that in the description down below. And I got these things, I'm pretty sure from Amazon as well. They're like plastic rubber things. I think you put them in pipes. And I glued it to this and put a headband inside it so it kept like structure and would stay on my head and not just slide off. So yeah, I really hope you like it. I want to thank my mum for helping me with this because it was an absolute nightmare. Absolute nightmare. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to hit the thumbs up button down below so I know the frustration and the length of time it took me to create this was worth it. Let me know in the comments down below if there's any more kind of like childhood nostalgia type of things that you would like me to do, or just anything in general. Let me know in the comments down below. Hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more creative looks like this, and if you'd like to see more kind of close-up pictures of this, because I feel like the pictures are going to look much better because my eyes will be closed and my mouth will be closed and it would just look a lot better. If you'd like to see them, make sure you go onto my Instagram and follow me on there. My name is @Brooke_Ellis_. It'll be on the screen somewhere and it'll be linked in the description down below, like it always is. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.